So, how to fix we are experiencing technical difficulties, Roblox. So, when I try to join the one Roblox server, it says join error. So that's why we're having technical issues. Please try again later, and it displays the following error code 529. So, first and foremost, why does this happen? And this might happen for two reasons. The first is that because of a Roblox server problem, if you receive an error code from Roblox, simply visit this page and check it. If the Roblox server is down or not, they give real-time server down status, so go ahead and check it. The second reason is a network problem. So if you're connecting to the internet through fiber cable, check your Wi-Fi router indicators to see whether the lights are glowing green. So it's possible that any red color indicates an issue with your fiber line. However, if you use a mobile data network, you need reset all network settings. So, after completed, simply remove and reinstall it before attempting to play the game again. And that's all of it, guys. And thank you so much for watching.